How are your bones stronger than steel and able to withstand thousands of pounds of pressure? What if your bones could bend, absorb shock, and protect you from injury with every move you make? Did you know your skeleton manages to repair and replace itself every 10 years, keeping you strong and resilient? Your skeleton is a powerhouse of strength, endurance, and self-repair. Get ready for some unbelievable facts that will change the way you think about your bones. Did you know your bones are stronger than steel? If a bone was the size of a steel bar, it could withstand more pressure before breaking. That means your skeleton is a super durable framework, helping you jump, run, and lift with ease. Even though bones seem fragile, their microscopic structure makes them surprisingly tough. A cubic inch of bone can support a shocking 19,000 pounds. That's like stacking 5 pickup trucks on top of it. Imagine if your entire body were made of solid bone. Nothing could crush you. This incredible strength helps protect your vital organs and allows you to perform amazing physical feats every day. Your femur, the thigh bone, is not only the strongest but also the longest bone in your body. It can handle up to 1,200 pounds of force before breaking. That's like having a natural baseball bat inside your leg. It's designed to withstand intense pressure, helping you run, jump, and move with incredible strength. Your jawbone, mandible, is the strongest bone in your face, and your bite force can reach 200 pounds per square inch. That's stronger than a pit bull's bite. Just imagine the raw power of your jaws crushing through tough foods. Thankfully, your teeth and jaw work together to handle the pressure without breaking. Every 10 years, your body replaces your entire skeleton. That means the bones you have today weren't the ones you had a decade ago. Your bones are constantly breaking down old cells and replacing them with new, stronger ones. It's like getting a free upgrade without needing a subscription. Did you know bones can glow? Under UV light, bones may fluoresce, giving off a faint, mysterious glow. The natural minerals in them, like calcium, react to the UV rays. It's like your skeleton's hidden superpower, shining bright in the dark. Pretty cool, right? Your bones not only support you but also absorb shock, handling up to 3 times your body weight with each step. They're flexible too, bending slightly before breaking, which helps prevent fractures. This built-in shock absorption and flexibility work together to keep your movements smooth, safe, and resistant to stress. Your bones work hard every single day. They hold you up, absorb impact, and even replace themselves over time. Take care of them with exercise and good nutrition, and they'll take care of you for a lifetime. And that's it. Your bones are truly incredible.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.